You have no, I never said anything about a girl. Not once did a girl name come out of my mouth. Jesus Christ.
We can review the footage and make sure.
He's recording.
Are you?
Yeah. You see his little red light?
Oh, shit right here.
So like I bought these badass halos for the CJ, but the problem of it was the bezel that goes around these, they changed from like CJ5 to CJ7, and then like the older 70s CJs and like the 80s. Anyway, they're all different. And LCM, this is just old enough of a Jeep where, dude, it just takes so much time and money. People are trying to restore them. So I thought, you know what? I was trying to find something to cut a piece of iron to put my. This isn't street legal, so I was trying to find something that was going to implement behind there, to where I at least had lights, and I was trying to find something that was perfectly circular to cut with the plasma cutter, and I found these brake rotors that I don't know why they're here, where they come from. Anyway, and I thought that looks damn sharp.
Did you have to cut them down?
No, it's just sitting there perfectly. Then there's a 16 gauge backing plate, and then just angle iron welded to the back of it that mounts the pod. Nothing special. Plasma cutter, drill, and some bolts. Brake work. Fronts aren't quite. Oh my goodness.
Oh, you come and record when I'm not around.
Ha! You like that?
I see how that is. We're here all weekend working on my shit. He never shows up.
Oh, I was busy this weekend.
No power. What are you?
Oh wait, let's get it straight.
Right there.
What do you think?
90 something.
93.
Yeah, I'm 84. What do you measure?
My trailer.
Oh. Oh, dude, you're gonna be over the fenders, but yeah, you're gonna fit it.